Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Ikea. I came to Ikea to not only see if there's anything new and exciting, but I'm working on a pantry makeover. So a lot of my videos recently have been shop with me's because I've been gathering materials for some projects, and that's exactly what we're doing today at Ikea. We're gonna go see what they have. I wanna look at their baskets, and then I also wanna look at some of their organization items. Let's head in here, let's see what there is at Ikea. It's cute. Fur throw pillows, which are these $7. Okay, so here are some of the baskets. They look like that. I don't know if I'm gonna go with these. I kind of want more of a seagrass look, a little bit more of a delicate look, but these are cute. Look how cute this little light is. Oh my gosh, $29.99. That's, oh stop, it has a dimmer too. That's really cute. These little linen napkins, those are cute with the blue lining. These were the main reason why I wanted to come to Ikea, were these little jars. I like that they have the white rubber. It just looks a lot cleaner. These canisters are cute too. Oh my gosh, I like these. Wait, these would be really pretty. $10.99. Hold on, these are so cute. For the pantry makeover. These little coasters, those are so cute. These little baskets actually are kind of cute as well. These are not the folding down ones. I kind of like these. I don't know how much those are, but those are cute. This bar cart's pretty. It looks like something from West Elm, and the brass is actually really, really nice. That's actually a really nice brass bar and very sleek. I still really like these terracotta pots. This is a cute outdoor chair. I like that. Very tropical vibes. $2.49. And these ones are cool too. They're very timeless looking. $99.99. I think you have to buy the cushion separately. Oh yeah, you do, for $10. I kind of like those. They're also very tropical. And then this one I think I showed you guys last time. I like that one too. That vase is cute. $41.99. The little seagrass little basket too. Very cute. You guys know my love for these old world looking vases. $27.99. I'm kind of loving everything in this little vignette. This little mug is cute. All of these coasters are really cute. This is cute. This is cute. This glassware is really pretty. Okay, someone did some playing over here. All right, I don't know what this is, but it's really pretty. Oh, it's a serving bowl with lid. It's $39.99. It's more of a copper color, but it's kind of interesting. This chopping board actually looks like really good quality. It's nice and thick. I don't love the shape of the handle up here, but if you like that look, it looks really, really nice. Also, if you host a lot, these are cute with the ribbed detail. Ooh, look at this serving bowl. That looks like something from McGee & Co. This one's $12.99. This one's really pretty too with the scalloped edges. I used to have plates like this from West Elm that I got years and years ago. Kind of miss them. Kind of loving these little bowls. And this piece back here, let's see if I can open this. Look at that cutie back there with the handles. $9.99. That's really cute. I'm sure I'll see it another 100 times, but love it. This little lantern's cute for outdoor lighting. I like this for $49.99. Seems, well, I guess it seems pretty appropriate because I was thinking about the light I got off Amazon. It was about the same price. I just found some vintage spice jars, but I've also been thinking about doing all my spices in these. I think these are really cute. Like I said, I like the white rubber. Just looks a little cleaner, you know, in your pantry, and just less distracting, I guess I should say. $5.99 for a 3-pack. Ooh, look at these little cocktail glasses. They're like a smoked glass, like a little coupe with the rib detailing. Look at this little coffee station. I wish I had like a little nook spot like this, because I think I could make like a cute little coffee station. Like, I love looking at the kitchens. It's my favorite part. And then you have this like little walk-in pantry. Butcher block. What do you guys think about butcher block? I'm kind of liking it lately, and I definitely didn't love it for a while. Kind of loving the little wood step stool. $59.99. This is cute. Oh, it's 10. I thought it was ceramic. These are also so nice to have, these tiny little cutting boards for serving. They have even smaller ones. If you made like little syrups and things for cocktails or drinks, or, you know, coffee syrups. I did not know those came in smaller, and they've had these for a long time. This is also really cute. It's like a little beaker. Okay, this is really, really cute. Oh my gosh, look at like did I show this one last time? I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, I like the mixture of everything that they chose. Look at those glasses, those are cute. And then the ceramics. They got the artwork up there, the cutting boards, the little cutout. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I like these glasses too. These little crates for a pantry. They're like in that raw wood, so I don't know if I love that, but I could always fix those up. More of the jars that I'm here to get. Possibly. I kind of like the chunkier ones, like not so the tall, skinny, the little chunky ones are cute. I will say having these little bottles at a dinner party is really nice, because it makes it look really pretty, and you can just have them out for your guests. I like those. Or you can also make homemade vanilla in those. Okay, I'm really confused. Here are those canisters, but there's no lids. Do you like get the lids somewhere else? I'm so confused. Do they not come with lids? Found the lids. They do come separate. You gotta pay $5 for the lid. Oh no, they're $1? $1. Okay. Also, I like these little spice jars. They're really cute. They come in that size, and then they have these like really tall, skinny ones. I kind of like those. And then they also have this size. I do like the shape of their glass Tupperware. I think they're pretty. This little water carafe is really pretty, or is it a vase? The rubber is actually a little bit more of like a greenish color. So I thought they were white. My little nephew's obsessed with cars. He would love this blanket. It's a really pretty pink for like a little girl's room. So cute. I even like this, like botanical, if you do it right. And then their linen looks really pretty. I don't know about the quality, but what I really wanted to look at is this window pane green, and then this green. Oh, this blue is really cute too. These are really pretty. This too. It's like an olive, like a true olive green. And then lastly, I wanted to show you this print right here. Look at how old world that looks. It's like a light blue. So pretty. I really like these. Okay. I am potentially going to do my nephew's room in the summer, like spring, summer. And I was thinking about going green, but I think this old world blue pinstripe is just so charming. Let me know what you guys think. Should I do something like this blue or the green? Let me know. Okay, they come in a green as well. So they have the blue and then they have the green. You guys know how much I love throw blankets. They have all kinds of options. From like very clean and classic to like colorful. This one's really pretty. This nice textured one. That brown linen. And greens. Pretty. It's a little bright, but this one's like a nice little sage green. I've always liked this like very loose woven rug. I imagine a lot of dust and dirt would get in there, but I do like that. One I showed last time, I love it. It's like their hand woven one. Now this is what I'm after. I love this relaxed look. This is $15.99, but I almost wonder if it's too relaxed for my friend's space. Like for me, I'd go for it, but for her, she might want something that's a little bit more structured. But I love this so much. And these are just adorable. Seagrass always looks so high end to me. Oh, it comes in a set? Oh, okay. I did not know that. This is just such a big jug for $27.99. Now, I do prefer vintage. However, these run very, very expensive if you get them vintage. So to get that look for less, these are really good. I like those. Ooh, very timeless. Comes in a couple of sizes. Okay, I really do like those. And I think I mentioned this, but I love their terracotta pots. The shape just is the most old world looking. Also these where they don't have that like chunky lip. I like them sleek like this because they look like vintage French terracotta pots. They have some good options, and I do also love their plants. They have good plant selections. What do you guys think about the palms? I saw, what's her name? Seeking Lavender Lane, I believe is her name. I saw her share one in her house, and actually I was kind of like, wait a minute, vintage home with a palm? Okay, noted. Like that looked so beautiful. There is nothing like an Arizona sunset though. You sure are beautiful. Just finished up at Ikea, and it's kind of funny because the one thing I do love about Ikea is they keep their items for a long time. So you can kind of go back and get more of what you need. Some of the items that I just saw there today, I have seen there years ago. It's funny because I feel like I don't know, like I guess you could say this about really any store, but sometimes you don't notice anything until you need it, or you don't notice things until you need them. For instance, I know that they've had those water jars and the canisters and some of the items for a long time. However, I never really paid it, like I've seen them, I've admired them, but I've never really paid attention to, or like want to buy them until now, which is interesting. And the thing about Ikea, Ikea comes in clutch when you have a really tight budget to decorate a space. But I would be very, very selective with and I will be very selective with what I get at Ikea, because there are other really great things that you can buy other places, whether that's secondhand or other stores that are affordable. But Ikea knows style. I feel like the canisters, for example, that's the best example I can give. They are the prettiest shape. And I love them. I thought that they were so beautiful and very affordable. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments which was your favorite item at Ikea right now that I shared. And I will see you guys in a couple days with another. Bye.
I would say we were good together.